And I want to I talk about keywords a lot, and I want to explain why, because I think folks think that I'm really pushing them to be obsessed with like SEO. And in a sense, I kind of am. But there's a reason. And the reason is that the data tells us a story that when people have a problem, the vast majority of the thing they do is Google.
Right.
And I can't change human behavior to hope they do something more productive than Google. So what I want amazing people with brilliant ideas and great solutions to the problems folks have, to be found. Like, that's what I want. I want amazing people to get found and be solving people's problems. Because if amazing people aren't getting found, jerks are getting found. And it sounds.
Can we say jerk waffles? Because I really like jerk waffles.
And so that's why it's something that is really important to me. And so that's why I talk about the importance of thinking about keywords and thinking about how you're framing your language and all of that. Because I know the reality is that people are asking Google